Hey guys, this is video number 2 for our friendly letter for Tuesday, September 7th. Here, I want you to go through and I want you to label each part. You guys have already done that. So here we have the, heading. And then the greeting. That's who you're writing to. And then the body. All right. And then the closing or the salutation. And then your name, which is signature. Okay. All right. And so here we go. You notice that there are, blue lines. And these blue lines are called proofread marks. So if you're proofreading it and you see that it needs a capital, you would underline it with 1, 2, 3 lines like that. If you see that it needs to be lowercase, you would scratch through that L, that's the capital L, and you wouldn't write anything else. If you were to add punctuation, circle it, put a comma there. And then you need to delete something, you just put a scratch through Dear Hillary. And then the arrow means delete. Yes, you will have to have those memorized too. So take a moment, go through this paragraph or this friendly letter and look at each line and then, or each part, and then I'll do the first part with you. You're just gonna follow the directions here for your proofread marks. All right, so 278 N, that'll be capital N, Nike, capital D Drive, and then that's in Charlotte. That C's got to be capitalized, so I'm drawing a line through it, capital C, capital N, capital C. I have to draw through a line through both of them. And then December's got to be capitalized because it's a proper noun in the name of a month. And everything else is right there, okay? All right, so you can copy that first part, that's fine. Then we're going to do the greeting, and then you're on your own for the rest of it, okay? All right, so Dear Uncle Dean, I'm going to put a line through the D and then write a capital D because that lets you know that the D needs to be capitalized. All right, and then the U in Uncle needs to be capitalized because it's in the greeting, and then D for Dean. Dud. And then there's one more thing. There always has to be a comma after the greeting. You're going to have to memorize all these little rules, okay? It's just something that you have to do. All right, so you're going to finish the rest of it for me and then submit that, and we'll check in again tomorrow on the friendly letter.